the seminar business as an experience is based on how perfume and marketing they can develop themselves together, in the sense that I don't know if you ever thought about that a perfume can be a tool, a marketing tool, to develop your impact, the impact of a company, for example, in a market. So during this seminar, what I like to do is to try to involve people, and especially people that are in business. It's very good for example, team building, for a company that they have a huge staff and they want to believe in what is the next step, or to develop the image of the company, or feel, you know, part of the company. And when we are talking about adopting a fragrance, adopting a smell, it is a very crucial moment for the company. And it's important that everybody knows it and everybody understands this process. And even, you know, for a person, for a, you know, a normal person that is not even involved in business, it's interesting. It's interesting because this can be also something that can start from a personal level. So let's say a little thing. When you are sure that you have a good perfume, normally you have a very, very good, very strong impact with the other person that you talk with. And this is related to you, to your personal experience. Same experience can be done by a company and by a business company.